TG2226F is an intelligent cloud management switch. Configure 24 gigabit RJ45 ports and 2 gigabit SFP optical ports. Ports are also sufficient when optical port interconnects are required. In hotels, SMBs, communities, and other scenarios. It can serve as access layer switches, connect computers, servers, printers, cameras, APs, etc. It can also serve as aggregation layer switches and small core layer switches. The switch support app management and cloud web platform management. Management interface simple and clear. Can view the port state and support VLAN configuration on mobile phone. Enable network management functions such as loop guard and DHCP snooping on mobile phone. App management is convenient, but also save after-sales maintenance costs. It has a lightning protection rating up to 6 kV, can effectively reduce the probability of port being damaged by surge. Stable network, can improve user experience. Applicable to hotels, SMBs, communities, etc.